This video delves into various farming techniques that are revolutionizing vegetable production. These innovative methods are unlocking new possibilities for cultivating a wider range of vegetables and boosting overall yields. Atlantis is a revolutionary submersible salmon farming facility that utilizes cutting-edge technology to revolutionize aquaculture. The facility's waterborne feeding system significantly reduces energy consumption, while the hybrid battery pack provides sustainable and reliable energy. The submersible design protects the facility from harsh weather conditions, while the controlled environment ensures optimal conditions for salmon health and well-being. This innovative approach to fish farming promises increased productivity and a more sustainable future for the aquaculture industry. The Atlantis project is a testament to the power of technology to address global challenges and create a more sustainable future. Balsa wood farming involves cultivating the fast-growing Ochroma pyramidale tree, prized for its lightweight and strong wood. These trees thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, requiring abundant rainfall and well-drained soil. Sustainable practices are essential, including responsible harvesting and reforestation efforts. Balsa wood finds applications in various industries like aerospace, marine, and construction, making it a valuable resource. The demand for balsa wood is increasing due to its unique properties and its use in eco-friendly products. Balsa wood farming has become an important economic activity in many regions. The cultivation of balsa wood contributes to sustainable forestry and provides livelihood opportunities for local communities. Biopod is a revolutionary, self-contained greenhouse designed to optimize plant growth. This next-generation technology creates ideal growing conditions by meticulously controlling temperature, humidity, light, and carbon dioxide levels. By mimicking natural ecosystems, Biopod enables the cultivation of a wide range of plants, from tropical fruits to delicate herbs, regardless of the external climate. This innovative solution not only increases agricultural productivity, but also reduces the environmental impact of traditional farming practices. Biopod offers a sustainable and efficient approach to agriculture, ensuring a steady supply of fresh produce year-round. Additionally, Biopod can be used in urban areas, allowing for local food production and reducing the need for long-distance transportation. Macadamia nut farming is a specialized agricultural practice that involves cultivating macadamia trees, prized for their delicious and nutritious nuts. These trees thrive in warm, tropical climates, requiring well-drained soil and ample sunlight. Macadamia nut farming is a long-term investment, as trees typically take several years to reach maturity and start producing nuts. The rewards can be significant, as macadamia nuts are highly valued in the global market. Sustainable farming practices, including proper pruning, pest management, and soil conservation, are essential for ensuring the health and productivity of macadamia orchards. Macadamia nut farming can contribute to rural economic development and provide sustainable livelihoods for farmers. Watermelon farming is a popular agricultural practice that involves cultivating watermelon plants to produce the delicious and refreshing fruit. These plants thrive in warm, sunny climates with well-drained soil. Farmers typically plant watermelon seeds directly into the ground or start them in seed trays and transplant them later. Regular watering, fertilization, and weed control are essential for healthy plant growth and optimal fruit production. Watermelons mature, they are carefully harvested and often transported to markets or directly to consumers. Watermelon farming contributes to food security and provides a valuable source of income for many farmers, especially in regions with suitable climatic conditions. Watermelon farming can promote sustainable agriculture practices, such as crop rotation and organic farming. Tomato farming is a popular agricultural practice that involves cultivating tomato plants to produce the versatile and flavorful fruit. Tomatoes thrive in warm, sunny climates with well-drained soil. Farmers often start tomato plants from seeds indoors and then transplant them outdoors after the last frost. Regular watering, fertilization, and pest control are essential for healthy plant growth and abundant fruit production. Tomatoes ripen. They are carefully harvested and often sold fresh or processed into various products like sauces, pastes, and juices. Tomato farming contributes to food security and provides a valuable source of income for many farmers around the world. Tomatoes are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them an essential part of a healthy diet. A breeder farm equipped with pre-engineered battery cages and an automatic manure removal system is a modern and efficient approach to poultry farming. This system offers numerous advantages, including improved bird health, increased productivity, and reduced labor costs. The pre-engineered battery cages provide a controlled environment for the birds, optimizing factors like temperature, humidity, and ventilation. The automatic manure removal system efficiently removes waste, maintaining a clean and hygienic environment. By automating routine tasks, farmers can focus on other aspects of their operation, such as monitoring bird health and optimizing feed and water delivery. This system can help reduce the environmental impact of poultry farming by minimizing waste and improving overall efficiency. Buffalo farming is a common agricultural practice, especially in regions with suitable climatic conditions. Buffaloes are valued for their milk, meat, and draw power. They are well suited to harsh environments and can thrive on low-quality fodder. Farmers often raise buffaloes in open pastures or in enclosed barns. Proper feeding, breeding, and healthcare practices are essential for maintaining healthy and productive buffalo herds. Buffalo milk is highly nutritious and is used to produce various dairy products, while buffalo meat is a popular source of protein. Buffaloes play a vital role in agricultural activities, like plowing fields and transporting goods. In many cultures, buffaloes hold cultural and religious significance, symbolizing strength, fertility, and prosperity. Buffalo farming contributes to rural livelihoods and food security in many parts of the world. Indoor gardening has gained popularity as a sustainable and enjoyable way to grow plants, regardless of climate or space constraints. It involves cultivating plants indoors, using artificial light sources and controlled environmental conditions. Popular indoor plants include herbs, vegetables, and ornamental plants. Adequate lighting, temperature, humidity, soil quality, and proper watering are crucial factors for successful indoor gardening. This practice offers numerous benefits, including fresh, locally grown produce, improved air quality, and stress relief. These guidelines, you can create a thriving indoor garden and enjoy the rewards of homegrown plants. Indoor gardening can connect individuals with nature and promote mindfulness and well-being. It also provides an opportunity to learn about plant biology and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Indoor gardening can be a fun and rewarding hobby for people of all ages, promoting creativity and patience. It can also serve as an educational tool for children, teaching them about the life cycle of plants and the importance of sustainable practices. Indoor saffron farming is a relatively new and innovative approach to cultivating this valuable spice. By utilizing controlled environments and advanced technologies, indoor farming offers several advantages over traditional field cultivation. These advantages include increased yield, improved quality, and year-round production. In indoor saffron farming, saffron corms are planted in trays or hydroponic systems within a controlled environment. This allows for precise control of factors like temperature, humidity, light intensity, and nutrient levels. By optimizing these conditions, farmers can significantly boost the yield and quality of the saffron harvest. Indoor farming eliminates the risks associated with weather conditions, pests, and diseases, ensuring a more reliable and consistent production. Indoor saffron farming can be conducted in urban or suburban areas, reducing the need for large tracts of land and enabling local production. This can help to support sustainable agriculture and reduce the environmental impact of long-distance transportation.